So a loam soil. So a loam soil will be, again, quite rich and dark and crumbly. So when you pick it up and you squeeze it in your hand, and it'll clump together and it'll stick there. But when you go like that, when you crumble it, it falls apart nicely. It's just the perfect soil. Very fertile, very high in nutrition for the plants as well, free draining, and doesn't waterlog very easily, which is great. It can hold moisture, but it will drain as well over time, so that's good. So to condition this type of soil, you shouldn't need a lot of work involved in it. Organic matter is a really good conditioner for this, for loam type soil. So like with all the soils, organic matter has got so many benefits that it can improve and add to any kind of soil structure. It helps to improve drainage, it helps to improve nutrient content, it helps to improve the absorbency of the soil, so how much moisture it holds on to, as well as how much moisture it lets run through. It prevents leaching of nutrients as well, which is really good, especially with sandy soil or stony soils. By conditioning any type of soil with organic matter, will benefit the soil so much and will really put extra condition into it.